just a little bit.
All right, Cody's got fish on. Let's see what he's gonna get.
It's working him too.
Come on, buddy. Just go easy.
Oh, yeah.
Go easy.
Yeah. You clear out here. I mean, there's no big trees. So.
Look at that. Look at that. Holy crap.
That's a spotted bass.
Holy crap.
That's about a,
Nice, Coat. Yeah.
it's about a 2.5 pounder.
Dang.
Real good eating.
Dude, I've never in my life caught a fish that big. Hold him up, Coat.
Hold him by the mouth like that and he won't flop. Pretty, ain't he?
That's fishing.